In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign a PDF document in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, go to the Uploads tab on the left side and click Upload Files. Select the PDF document you want to sign and upload it to Canva. After the upload finishes, click on the PDF file to open it in the Canva editor. Next, upload an image of your signature. If you do not already have one, you can sign your name on a blank piece of paper, take a photo of it and upload that image to Canva. Once your signature image is uploaded, drag it onto your PDF document and place it where the signature line is located. Resize the signature and adjust the position so it fits properly on the document. If your signature image has a white background, select the image and click Edit Photo, then use the Background Remover tool to remove the background. After everything looks correct, click the Share button and select Download. Choose PDF format and download your signed document. That is how you sign a PDF document in Canva.